Hi, if you're trying to use Minitab, you've got a few options. First of all, you could go into Brother Lewis Hall in room 35. We have a computer lab that has access for Minitab. Also, you have the option of going to LaSalle Hall on the second floor. There's also a lab there as well. But my best suggestion for you would be to get your own package. They run between like 29 to 39 bucks for a student copy. But if you want a permanent version, you may have to pay a little bit more, especially if you're going to use in your dissertation a quantitative analysis. So with that in mind, let me show you a little bit about some of the features of Minitab and how it can help you in this course. Here's a few basics that may help you in using the Minitab software. What I always go to, once I've entered my data or information, there's a few options under the stat selection above. Number one, you've got basic statistics, and under basic statistics you have everything from the z-test, the t-test, the paired t. You can do correlation and other goodness of fit tests, but this one's for the Poisson distribution, not used very often. Those are the main ones that you will see in your doctoral work or in business studies as well. If I go back up to the stat area, if I hit stat and go to tables, again, remember we did an example with goodness of fit test, which you can find in another video. But there's also the chi-squared test for two-way tables. So when you've got rows and columns and you need to do a chi-square test, this is the one to do. So that's a good one to know in the tables section. Both of these are very good options. Now, the third area where I find that students need Minitab the most, and what I use in my class for the main time using this software package, is this non-parametric test. And primarily in doctoral research, you will use the Mann-Whitney test, the Kruskal-Wallis test. Those are the two that get used most often. If you needed to do like a Cronbach alpha or a Cooter-Richardson model, you can always go into the help section and it can help you find those areas. But keep in mind, those are the basic ones you're going to need using Minitab, and it makes the computations much simpler. You just have to learn some of the mechanics of entering the values, which we should cover in class for you. If not, you can always give us a call or send me an email. Hope that helps, at least to give you the lay of the land in how to use Minitab software.